Tutorial for downloading ready-to-use mind maps on your smartphone. Open the World Innovation Network app on your smartphone. Click on Innovation Next Tools for Download section. Click on Ready Mind Maps Download button. Click on Download Xmind Software section. Click on Download Xmind software for Android if you are using the Android phone. Click again on the expanded Xmind for Android link on your phone screen. This will take you to the Xmind software link on Google Play. Download Xmind software from Google Play and install it on your phone. Close the expanded icon on your screen to return back to the Ready Mind Maps section. Click on Download Mind Maps individually on PCs and smartphone section. Click on Startup Development section. Click on Problem Resolution Mind Map. Click on the Problem Resolution expanded icon once again. This will start downloading the Problem Resolution Mind Map on your smartphone. You are now all set to explore the mind map for your innovation and startup journey. You can similarly download all other mind maps as and when required. Apple iPhone users should download Xmind from the Apple Store and follow the same procedure to access the mind maps on their smartphones.